Welcome to China Aviation News. Here is CAN Press. I'm Wu Jianfei. At first, let's look at the news of the week. During the 2013 Beijing Air Show, AVIC issued its 2013 to 2032 annual forecast airplanes, which said that the next 20 years, China would need another 5,288 civil airplanes, including 4,396 large jet airlines and 892 regional jets, considering the growth of the traffic volume and the need of replacing the old ones. During the exchange meeting held in September the 24th in Beijing, AVIC Beijing Institute of Aeronautical Materials and ESI established the International Joint Research Center of Digital Aeronautical Materials. According to EADS, in the near future, both parties will enter into cooperation in the fields such as lightning-proof, shock resistance, and flame retardance. Moreover, GARN-2 project will also be launched in this October. Under the full support of Shenzhen Multiple People's Government, the 2013 AOPA International Flight Training Exhibition, jointly held by AOPA, Shenzhen Traffic and Transport Committee, and China Academy of Civil Aviation Science and Technology, will raise its curtain on October the 8th, which will be China's first professional flight training exhibition, fully showing the great importance of the general aviation talent reserve. Beijing Quarantine Bureau said on October the 1st that 7 dengue fever cases were found on the flight from Angola, all of which just come back to China after working in Angola. Considering the case, AQSIQ issued an outbreak risk warning to tell people to avoid mosquito bites when traveling to countries in areas such as South Asia, South Pacific and Central and South America. From October the 5th, domestic flights less than 800 kilometers will be increased by RMB 10 yuan from RMB 60 yuan to RMB 70 yuan, while that of the domestic flights from more than 800 kilometers stays at RMB 120 yuan. On September the 29th in AVIC headquarters, Lin Zuoming, president of AVIC, met Sohail Kokim, president of Pakistan Aeronautical Complex. During the meeting, Sohail told Lin some progress about the current project that what Brazil wants him to achieve during this visit. On September the 27th in Chengdu Satellite Environment Application Center of China's Military of Environmental Protection and AVIC Chengdu Aircraft Industry Co., Limited completed the final delivery of the medium-sized Airmen aerial vehicle, which focuses on energy saving and emission reduction and remote sensing technology. On September the 25th, the closing and award ceremony of AVIC Cup, the second international UAV innovative competition, was held in Beijing Air Show. On the morning of September the 26th, Luliang Civil Airport completed its first flight collection, which marked the establishment of Luliang three-dimensional traffic networks of highways, railways, and civil aviations. According to information provided by the staff of Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China Limited, the research work of the C919 large airplane project has made great progress, and its general assembly will be completed within 2015. Recently, AVIC Hunan Nanfang Aviation Industry completed a test on high-accuracy wind electricity gearbox with a power of 2.05 MW, succeeding in making accessories of minding them AVIC Huide Wind Power Engineering Co. Limited. On the morning of September the 26th, the first day of Flight Dynamic exhibition of the 15th Beijing Air Show, the opening ceremony of Service Center and the Capital Helicopter and graduation ceremony of trainers were officially held. Now let's have a short break. Welcome back. According to statistics, during the 2013 7-day national holiday, civil aviation ensuring more than 76,000 foreign and domestic flights, among which domestic airlines completed more than 55,000 flights, an increase of 12.8%, offering more than 11.7 million seats, delivered passengers of more than 7.7 million, an increase of 15.8%, and achieved an average passenger load rate of 66%, a year-on-year increase of 2.1%. After China Southern Airlines began to use Boeing 787 for the route from Guangzhou to London, and Hainan Airlines decided to use aircraft in China-America routes, United Airlines announced that it would use the same aircraft to open the direct flight from Chengdu to San Francisco. Until now, Boeing 787 has been widely used in China remote routes. On September the 27th, a business jet of Darejet flight to Tibet Ningch Airport, one of airports with the largest difficulty to approach, which benefited from RMP system designed by Honeywell. On September the 25th, journalists from Beijing Business Today got information from the 15th Beijing Air Show that Miyun has applied to open the line from Miyun Airport to Birdsnest, which is expected to be approved within this year. After approval, it will start official operation. According to the initial plan, Miyun will use 2 Bell 407 helicopters to conduct the flight and start viewing business around the bird's nest. A Bell 407 helicopter can hold 5 passengers, and the fee will be calculated by hours. A road trip may take nearly 1 hour and RMB 35,000 yuan. On the morning of September the 26th, the activities seemed as fly in the sky and realized regime were held in the 1st Division of Chinese Air Force. About 200 citizens from Anshan, the city-rich in steel resource, got close to air unit and took a close look at flight training. Zhu Ziyu, the deputy director of Air Force Political Mobilization Office, said, "This is the first time for Chinese Air Force to be formally open to public." According to the information got by journalists from China News, after the party's Central Committee and Central Military Commission made a national call to search and rescue and settle those who were in danger caused by butterfly typhoon, Airmen and South China Sea Fleet did their best to save people's lives. During the 6-day rescue, they ensured total 90 flights of 11 models to aircrafts, which have saved 3 fishermen out of the sea, ensuring the safety of flights for searching and rescuing. Here is CN Press. See you next time.